left, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
Number 3, looking for design express, my winter.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hayward confirmation, Victor, time 1750 Zulu, wind 280 at 11, visibility 10.
Oh yeah!
Sky condition ceiling 1600, overcast, temperature of 16, 3.11, altimeter 29er. RNAV GPS approach, runway 28 left in use, landing and departing runways 28.
So we have 11 knots of wind.
Increase bird activity in the vicinity of the airfield. Attention all aircraft has a southern
1600 overcast.
Available on High West flight service frequency.
Clutch light is out.
Contact ATIS information, Victor.
Victor.
Spacing is adequate. Okay.
This.
Yeah.
Hear me? 111. Oh yeah. Better kind of.
Yeah. Even if your mic is not as close at it.
That's the 3 Papa Victor, start to go?
Yeah.
This is better.
Yes.
Here we go.
So you can see at colder weathers, it's closer to the yellow. And when we would raise the collective to pick up now, it would go into the yellow.
Say again? Say Papa Victor?
That's correct.
Roger, say Papa Victor.
That's 59er Delta, now number 3, following Cessna traffic ahead and to your left, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
Number 3 behind the Cessna for traffic. Check magnetos.
Yep.
Alright, magneto fine, covers. Alright, there is.
Yeah, you should be able to find it during the flight as well, because today you are pulling it before the landing. I announced that this last time.
Okay.
Didn't yeah. Very good.
November 1 Charlie Kilo, turn right.
Alright, manifold pressure.
To the right, contact ground point 4.
What? Manifold pressure?
Right, point 4.
Yeah.
You mean the spreckler check?
This one can check. So
Atmosphere 0 Hotel Juliet, frequency change.
put it down quickly.
Yes.
And pull it and leave it.
Yeah, and look at, yeah. Alright.
That's alright. And then manifold pressure.
Follow out the tower, 7-star 20.
Manifold pressure, you mean
over the Coyote Hills.
the power.
Right.
This
So-
is a shutdown. Oh yeah, okay, this.
Up on Hayward
Yeah.
Tower.
So it's how much outside? 20. So it's about 23.5.
That's a 3 Papa
Yeah,
Victor, number
as the official temperature was 16 degrees, that's what they said on the meter, so it's a little bit less, but that's okay.
28 left, clear for the option, 3 Papa Victor.
Alright, friction doors are locked, everything is fine, friction is off.
We are ready for release 28 left. Station 70 Foxtrot Charlie, Hayward Tower, hold for release. Hold for release 670 Foxtrot.
Friction off. Alright.
That's a 912, start to go.
1 second. Let me put this back in.
912.
Alright, and governor on. And then pull it up. Alright, I'm there.
Okay, low RPM warning horn and light check.
So for that one, pull it up.
Yep, slightly and then slowly decrease. As slow as you can. Okay, you have to raise it a little bit more. Yep.
There we go.
Okay, we pull carpet and you make the gauge stick. Lights are out, gauges are green, we have fuel. Copy. Out of the yellow.
Perfect, Charlie ground point 4.
Go.
Contact.
Go up.
Yep.
Cessna 912, extend downwind. I will call your base. Traffic will be taking the runway.
That was stupid.
When able to contact traffic.
Okay.
Let's do another one.
Yes.
Thank you.
Citation 70 Foxtrot Charlie runway 28 left, full length, line up and wait, traffic left downwind, Cessna.
Oh, we have rain.
What's that?
It's starting to rain. Doesn't matter. We can fly in rain. Okay. So you're drifting a little bit to the left today, that's new. Okay, stabilize your hover, I make your radio call. Well, you make the radio call, of course. So we have information.
What's the call? What's the...
Victor, I think.
Victor, yeah.
Airfield. Attention, all aircraft has a flood information.
Okay, what's the what?
1 second, I'm trying to stabilize myself. So, can you call Hayward Tower 622 Mike Papa, left traffic, spot Charlie Victor.
Yeah, with Victor.
With Victor.
Yes.
Cessna 3 Papa Victor, turn crosswind, please.
Oh, can you call it, please?
Citation 0 Foxtrot Charlie, traffic in the crosswind.
Okay, wait.
Runway
Don't
28 left, full
go
length,
over this
clear
line,
takeoff.
otherwise we are in trouble.
Take up with traffic, Charlie.
Yeah.
Cessna 912, turn base now, runway 28 left, clear for the option, caution light turbulence, departing, citation.
Fully based, left clear for the option, I would.
Can you stabilize the
Cessna
hover?
3 Papa Victor, traffic
Yours.
departing, runway 28 left is a citation, when able, report that traffic in sight.
Looking 3 Papa Victor.
Hayward Tower, this is helicopter 622 Mike Papa at helicopter parking with Victor, request left traffic, spot Charlie.
Cessna 3 Papa Victor, traffic is just now approaching the departure and citation. See other traffic in sight.
We just got a message, 3 Papa Victor.
Citation 0 Foxtrot Charlie, contact NorCal approach, have a safe flight.
NorCal, thanks up, 70 Foxtrot.
Cessna 3 Papa Victor number 2, following in Cessna 1 mile base to final.
Okay, you want to try to set it down very nicely, so super relaxed.
Clear for the option, 3 Papa
So
Victor.
you know how much less power you have to give to set it down. So just a little bit lower. Don't go backwards, never backwards. A little bit forward is fine.
62 Mike
Yeah.
Papa, Hayward Tower, make a left close traffic forward, spot Charlie, taxiway Alpha Echo, clear for takeoff, spot Charlie, clear to land.
Clear for takeoff, Alpha Echo, left traffic, spot Charlie, clear to land. 622 Mike Papa. Okay, another gauge check, lights are out, gauges are green, we have fuel, and
They want to will
a little bit forward pressure on the cyclic. And just be patient, then we wait for the nose pitching up, we don't allow that.
3 Papa Victor, the traffic ahead of you will be a full
A
stop.
little bit more now, yeah, hold it here, perfect. Just hold it. Good. Oh yeah! A little bit more forward, we still need 40 knots. Alright, here we go. Did you
Where are we going?
left? A little bit more forward. Did you had another lesson with someone else? Why are you making a takeoffs already? It was a nice takeoff.
What's that?
It was a beautiful takeoff.
Shit.
So now we get a little bit in wind, but we still want to climb. So maintain your nose, nice. So we are flying quite fast.
No, you gotta take this shit.
So we just want to hold it right here to nice climb with not more than 60 knots. Otherwise, we're decreasing our climb rate. We're putting too much energy in the forward airspeed, but we want to climb. So now we want to turn. So we just apply a little bit left pressure. Don't make sure in left turns we're not putting the nose too high up.
Cessna 3 Papa Victor,
They want to
go
climb.
around
Then we are flying towards this beautiful rusty building. So we level up
side of the runway.
Still want to climb. A little bit nose up. Perfect. So downwind check.
Cessna 3
No
Papa
lights,
Victor, you can turn crosswind,
no lights, everything is green, and
So yeah,
cover it.
the best thing is to go
Cessna
here.
3 Mike Papa traffic heading to your left, turning
Let's
in early
wait to go.
crosswind, Cessna heading in sight.
I have the traffic inside as well. 6 to Mike Papa, thanks.
912 cross, runway 28 right, and contact.
Okay, so but the better thing is going between the collective and so following the seat, the border of the seat.
Papa Victor, runway
Yes,
28 left.
very good. Okay,
28 left, 3 Papa Victor.
beautiful. We're going towards the numbers. And we don't drift to the right, we just perfect. Nice and level.
This is 6500 Hayward Tower, standby, landing traffic.
Continuing our beautiful turn here in the line, ourselves with the center line over there. And then we maintain this nice and level. So we don't want to get too slow yet. That looks a little bit slower than walking price. So just, yeah, perfect. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay, now we want to reduce the speed just a little bit up pressure, just a little bit holding. That's good. Lower the collective a little bit more. Lower a little bit more. A little bit more up. So we are still kind of fast, and so we want to hold it just here. So this is reduces our forward airspeed. Just hold this level, and then let the helicopter settle. Everything is good. Just let the helicopter settle with level attitude. We are overshooting just a little bit, but that doesn't matter. So, don't drift to the right, everything looks good. So now we are waiting for the vibrations to settle in. When the vibrations settle in, slowly raise, but not too much. We still want to go down, we don't want to slip. And when we raise, we give forward cycling, forward, 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 left pedal, forward, forward, left pedal, forward, forward. Yeah, you got it, man. So, bring me back to the sea. So, the most tricky part is, of course, the transition from having ETL and losing ETL, because you have to start raising. Don't raise too much. We still want to settle down, but we want to settle down very slow. And when you raise, you have to give forward cycling. Otherwise, we are stopping in the air and even go backwards. And when you raise, you also go a little bit left.
Traffic, runway 2 pad, Zulu, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff. Behind the
I almost said, man, that's your perfect day today. You're always doing everything nice and smooth. So, I want you to go to the sea and circle around the sea, pointing the nose towards the sea. High class. Oh, no, we were setting it down first.
West short approach, 732 Papa Victor.
Nice and slow.
Papa Victor, roger.
A bit low pressure and weight, patience. Lower pressure and weight. You don't go backwards or forward or sidewards, but relax, 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 relax. Okay, you...
Shit. Yeah, I just pushed it.
Yes, because it just wanted to go backwards. Okay, but we are safe on the ground, and this is... Okay, you pick it up.
So when we took it up, we turned, suddenly it says doom, doom, doom.
Yeah, the wind is coming from here with 11 knots, of course. The wind is fighting the stabilizers. As long as the nose is exactly in the wind, you don't have this. So now, of course, you see on this windsock over there that the wind is coming exactly from the left. So the worst case scenario to have for a nice, beautiful pickup. But it's more challenging. It's a training lesson, so do it. Okay, beautiful. So,
It goes there too much.
yes, you have the right drift. Okay, I want you to make a beautiful 360. So bring me over the sea in the yellow area first. So a little bit aft pressure here, a little bit aft left. Good. A beautiful 360-degree turn, maintaining in this area
28 left, clear for the op.
to the left.
28 left, clear for the option, so 500 over.
Ay, 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 ay.
Good, but you see there are adjustments necessary first to the left, then to the right, so you have to make a little... Okay, we drifted a little bit away from the sea, so bring us back there.
You think so? We drifted a little bit?
Yeah, we are not over the run, we are still in safe distance, you know. And so, we make it one more time. And this
Shall we
time
take it down for a second?
Okay, set it down. If you need a break, you you can have it a little bit for movement, it's fine. Don't rush it to set it down. Just relax. Oh yeah, you can put the nose here into the wind. This makes it easier.
No, I am taking the 360 because you said I need to take a break.
So, you told me you want to set it, but okay. Okay, to the 360. You're doing exactly all the time. That's what.
No, I'm taking it down for a second. You don't mind?
Yeah, no, I don't mind. Just let me know what your plan is, so I know what your plan is, because I can't recognize it.
Yes, sir.
What's going on here? Okay. Patience. Just maintaining it nice and level. Don't look down. A little bit lower pressure and weight. Lower pressure and weight. Lower pressure and weight. A little more left pedal. Don't let it pitch up. Okay. And keep breathing and relax is the most important thing. Yeah, this. Okay. Yeah. That looks good. Okay. Okay. A little bit. Yeah. Yeah.
You have to do more left, more right pedal.
Yeah, but just a touch. Come on, it's 5 degrees off. Very good. I just let a little bit fresh air here, and we're ready to go.
Right, runway 28 right, clear to the option, then make right, close traffic. Straight right, clear to the
I go there and I do 360?
Yes.
All right.
Delta, contact ground point 4. Ground point 4, system 5 Delta.
Okay, the pickup was good. It was not 2 stages, so, but it was still good.
$360.
You see that you're moving away. Okay. Good, and you know that you're moving to the left, so right aft, and now here aft a little bit, not too much. Relax.
Too much, I saw it.
So, so, when you're starting here with your 360, you apply a little bit pressure, and when you see you moving, you just adjust, just like that, a little bit aft and hold it, and then here. And then here you give a little bit right pedal to reduce the swing. Then here you give to left pedal, left cyclic. So most of the time you have to give it a little bit left. No, you start with right cyclic and then left. You got it?
I got it.
You got it. So, you try it. It's just little inputs to adjust the drift. So the most difficult part here is to adjust the cyclic according to your, and know where the helicopter will move before it actually moves. So now you have to make corrective actions already, but this is fine. And don't raise the collective too much. So at this point here, when you turned more or less almost 180 degrees, we are climbing always a little bit. Okay, good. That was a nice stop. I like left pedal, left pedal. Okay, we make a right turn. So the opposite of the cyclic input is necessary to keep us on the spot. So hold it here first, good. And then start your right 360.
Oh wow.
Ooh,
wait a second.
So I think in calm winds you wouldn't have a big problem with it. It's 11 knots. It's tricky. I know. So, we're setting it down.
Uh-huh.
We're setting it down. You're setting it down, actually.
Okay.
In the yellow area would be awesome, but not necessary. The most important thing is we are hitting it on, not hitting, setting it down as smooth as possible with zero sidewards and backwards movement, and yeah, as much as necessary forward movement, but ideal-wise vertically. Patience and relaxation
Hayward
are the keys.
Traffic, left at Zulu, clear for takeoff.
It goes up and down, man. No. I gotta go back to the sea.
A little bit forward, you see the nose is up? Yeah. Right pedal, right pedal, right pedal. Yes.
Right pedal.
When we are lowering, we always give a little bit right pedal. So yeah, just remember, a little bit more right pedal. This was confusing you here at the end, that, why is it still, I give left pedal, why is it still going to the left? Yeah. Okay, we're picking it up and we make another beautiful takeoff and landing. What's the radio call?
Hayward Tower 622 Mike Papa, left traffic, point Charlie? Spot Charlie.
That's right.
Vector. Oh no, you don't have to.
No, only the initial one. They know that we have Victor. Okay, exactly. So, pick it up, stabilize your hover, point the helicopter towards, or aligned with the center line, and then make this radio call.
Yes.
Pushing that. All right.
That was a fucked up one.
Yeah, your nose immediately tilted forward. So you still don't stop raising the collective when you're getting super light on the skids.
Say it again.
You're still making one continuous raise the collective move instead of stop, raising, stop the movement, then raise a little bit more, stop the movement, and then going up vertically.
Can we go down and up again?
No.
Can we land again?
Delta 3, Papa Victor, short approaches are approved until further notice.
Because the Cessna is right over there, so we don't have to wait.
Right, clear for the option, looking for traffic, and we'll continue with short approaches. 3 Papa Victor.
Oh no, you make the call. Right now.
Hayward Tower 622 Mike Papa, spot Charlie left traffic.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, make left close traffic, spot Charlie, clear for takeoff, clear to land.
Clear for takeoff and land, left traffic, spot Charlie. 622 Mike Papa. It was awesome. That's exactly when you communicated.
This is 500 Delta, right down into the parallel.
They're hovering.
They're making a short approach.
Yeah, went a little bit off. Okay. Take off. Okay, smooth. Okay, 40 knots. Very good. No, that's fine. That's the wind. Left. What's wrong? That's awesome. Don't overshoot your power. We are pulling here 24.5. We have 1 inch less, a little bit lower the collective, just a touch, just to be in the range of our calculated power. Don't put the nose too high down, otherwise we are getting too much airspeed and we are not climbing anymore. This is good. Start your left turn here. Very good. So, downwind.
So, no lights, everything is green. We have enough fuel. And I'm trying to get, how the hell am I getting it? I got it.
So it's really easier when you go between.
Alright, I'll practice on the ground.
Yeah. On the ground the collective is down, so you can, yeah, when the engine is off. Okay. Good, we maintain nice and level attitude. We have 550 feet, we're a little bit slow, but we don't want to climb anymore, so we lower the collective a little bit forward cyclic, left turn side is clear, and we start up a beautiful smooth turn, lower the collective at the same time with a little bit aft cyclic and right pedal. Aft cyclic. Good. Everything looks good. So, yeah, so lower the collective more. Good. And now we beautifully slowly settle.
That's a 500 Delta, contact ground point 4.
Ground point 4, 500 Delta. Alright, we want to maintain here in the middle. So the flight path we are correcting with the cyclic, so don't drift to the right. But everything looks beautiful. We are just settling nice and slow. It looks like walking pace. We are descending with 400 to 500 feet per minute. Everything looks beautiful. So I adjust a little bit so we are making it. Okay, you continue.
Hayward Tower. Our last fire up was about 30 minutes ago. Bases were 14, correction, 1700, top 2400. Runway 28 left, clear to land.
So are you relaxed? Or you just want to be closer to me with your arm? Okay, so now you feel your vibrations, so start raising with forward side, more forward left pedal. Okay, not too much, we still want to go down. And then maintain level. Nice, beautiful. Okay, now just let it settle.
Runway 28 left and report passing the toll plaza.
Yeah, left pedal, left pedal. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I like it. That was good. I wasn't under controls this time. Nice. Okay, bring me backwards to the sea and set it down. So, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
A little bit forward, we don't want to go backwards, oh no. This is level. So you just gave a lot of aft cyclic all of a sudden when we were so close from the ground. That is why. That was...
Okay, so
the nose was already up. Oh, exciting. Okay,
you're excited.
you pick it up, bring it over the sea and set it down. Yeah, it's freezing. And I still, and two stages, yeah. Stop raising. Never rush to, now I'm getting away from the ground. Everyone is doing that, but no one should. Okay, good. And now continue raising with a little bit right. Yeah.
This Delta, Hayward Tower, runway 28 left at Zulu, clear for immediate takeoff and close traffic.
I don't know why you move backwards then, but because we want to go down like a little bit forward. So I want you to set it down with a little bit forward movement this time.
But
a little bit, all the way down. I want to have this little forward movement.
2 mile final, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
No backwards. Forward is this way. Okay, yeah, and now lower a little bit more. Don't pitch up.
That's a 3
The nose is pitching up again. And now we are going backwards. No, backwards.
Yeah, I know. Let me try to go there.
No, okay. Yeah, it did look like at this point that you know because you're not doing it. Okay, yeah, this is good. Oh,
this is good.
Yeah, man. Forward movement.
I thought this is not good. Okay, what's
No. Forward movement is just that you know what kind of. Yeah, a little bit left cyclic and right pedal.
Right pedal, left cyclic.
Yes. So you're attaching the ground first with the left skid, and then we are going. The right skid touches and takes the rotor disc with it. So when we are finally on the ground, we are always drifting slightly to the right. So the last input when both skids are on the ground is a little bit left cyclic.
Left cycle, right pedal.
Yes, and always right pedal when we're lowering, obviously. Okay, we you pick it up and you give me a beautiful 360-degree turn to the left. Maintaining in the circle, and especially when you're turning this, maintain the altitude. You always raise. So stay relaxed, heavy in the seat light on the controls, and just beautiful. Okay, and no two-stage pickup again.
Sorry, November Golf, turn right at Charlie, hold short, runway 28 right, landing traffic.
Right, Charlie, hold short, 28 right, 10, Golf.
Cessna 59er Delta number 2, following Diamond Star ahead on left base, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
28 left, clear for the option. Beautiful.
Our correct is sorry, November Golf, approximately 28 right at Charlie, then contact ground point 4. Have a good afternoon.
Cross 28 right at Charlie, ground point 4, 10, November Golf, thanks. Echo, 3 Papa Victor.
You're Victor, right at Echo, ground point 4.
Okay, you're raising the collective again here.
Yes, because I'm leaning on the damn thing.
But overall, no, it's actually the same distance.
Say it again.
So you started very well. They put exactly the corrective inputs. Ah. You're always going down like this. So, and I thought, oh yeah, that's gonna be it. But as soon as we're here, which is the most tricky part, obviously, in this wind. So, share with me your current thoughts. You're trying to set it down?
I'm just trying to stabilize this thing because I feel the wind, and I'm gonna settle it down. Is it okay?
Yeah, with a little bit forward movement would be awesome.
Okay.
So you're getting rid of this backwards movement all the time. Just a little, yeah, and now it's lower and lower and lower and lower. Now you're pitching up again. You can have forward movement, you can make a running landing. But now, your nose is up again. You watch the video. Always, when you're very close to the ground, you're doing this, aft cyclic.
And I have to go.
So, when I mean you should take it, put it up with the forward movement. So, when you're a little bit moving forward, just like this, just lower and lower and lower and lower with a little bit right pedal. That's fine.
That's fine?
Yes, that's fine.
Oh.
I mean, this is fine. What's not fine, getting aft cyclic or having the nose up. When you're moving forward, you can't have a nose up attitude. We want to have this level attitude. This is what I want you to do now.
Okay.
Getting with a little bit forward movement on the ground.
Juliet, runway 28 left.
Okay. And on the pedals, yeah.
Cessna 59er Delta, contact ground point 4.
Ground point 4, 59er Delta.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have enough air?
Go up.
Yes. Okay.
Hayward Tower, Cessna 7 Sky Victor, right at Bravo for right close traffic.
Cessna 7335 Victor, Hayward Tower, make right close traffic, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, 28 right close traffic, 3 Papa Victor.
360?
Okay.
Yes? No?
Yes. So as you can see, you have to give aft cyclic, then right cyclic, but just a little bit. Up. Yeah, maintaining. Beautiful. And then here you have to give a little bit left cycling. Then transition to forward left cycling. Oh yeah. And don't race here. That's good. And when you give enough forward left cycling, you would have made it. That was definitely a huge improvement, but there's still some space for improvement. So, right pedal turn. Vice versa. You start a little bit with... Okay, we want to stay at this altitude above the ground. And then you start with your right pedal turn.
Papa Victor, short approaches are approved until further notice. Runway 28 right, clear for the option.
28 right, clear for the option. 3 Papa Victor.
Yeah, I know already in the next calm wind flight you will do great. That's not easy with it.
Hayward Tower, so
I like it. Okay, you want to set it down?
Yeah, okay. Oh shit,
Put the nose into the wind.
There's a lot of right pushing.
Yep.
Tower, make left lower traffic runway 28.
Okay, let me get there.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28.
Wow.
Hayward Tower, Medevac 5610 Romeo, holding short 28 left at Alpha 1, ready for departure.
Medevac 5610 Romeo, Hayward Tower, hold for release.
Not too much.
Hold for release.
And hold it straight.
Yeah, there's a lot of pushing.
Okay, relax. Okay.
Shit.
You're going backwards again. Okay, not too much forwards. Just give forward to stop the backwards movement, but then go back to the middle. You have a nose up attitude now. So stop the backwards movement. Just a little bit forward, just and then you're there. Okay, now set it down. Yeah, right pedal, and yes. Good.
You see, I thought this is a crash. So I'm trying to do like this.
So maintain, so don't look down. You have to look straight, then you can see. This is the level attitude. This is the same this is a slightly different picture when you're up hovering, because then the way the balance is different. But this is the picture you are aiming for when you are setting it down. And you usually have a slightly nose up. So the helicopter is not moving at this point because there's a 1-2 second delay. But as soon as you're getting closer, the helicopter starts moving backwards.
Yeah.
So try to maintain this beautiful level attitude. I know it's not easy with this wind, but you're so close to make the perfect set down.
Climb and maintain
So pick it up.
5,000 feet. Departure frequency 135.65. Runway 28 left at Zulu, correction, Alpha 1, clear for takeoff.
And set down.
Okay, after 400 feet.
I had trouble with them a long time because I was always not breathing. I was not looking forward, I was looking down.
Medevac 5610 Romeo.
I was not relaxed.
Clear for takeoff, but 28 left.
If I talk to and then I started talking to myself, relax, just heavy in the seat, light on the controls, a little bit lower, and boom.
Twin Star, correction, Diamond Star 20 Hotel Juliet, turn base now. Traffic departing.
You see your pickups are beautiful now.
When they report that traffic.
If you just be patient, wait, correct, raise, boom. And your hovering is also good. So now you're set down. Just relax and a little bit lower. Relax a little bit lower. And relax. Especially when you're getting closer.
Hotel Juliet, traffic is now just left number citation. Report that traffic in sight.
We have the citation in sight, 0 Hotel Juliet.
Diamond Star 0 Hotel Juliet, thank you. Runway 28 left, clear for the option. Causeway Triplan's departing citation.
Okay.
28 left, clear for the option, 0 Hotel Juliet.
Medevac.
You see how smooth it was? When you're going a little bit forward, it's fine. Okay, a little bit more right pedal, but that was Just patience, relaxation, having the seat super light. Good. So, you pick it up, bring me back to the sea, takeoff and landing including radio call. So initial. The next lesson, of course, you have to read it back as well. Here for takeoff and land, spot Charlie, left traffic, 62 Mach Papa. But, for today, only the initial one. But for now, pick it up, bring me back to the sea. We're still moving while picking up. That's cheating. Okay, back to the sea. You can turn us around or you can hover backwards. I don't care. As long as we're ending up over the sea. And you can make your radio call already. Don't drift to the right this time.
Hayward Tower 62 Mike Papa, left traffic, spot Charlie.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, make left close traffic, spot Charlie, clear for takeoff, clear to land.
Clear for takeoff and land, spot Charlie, left traffic, 2 Mike Papa. Okay. Take off.
No, there's a lot of wind, a lot of left pedal.
Okay, that was a fun one. Left. It was not bad for those conditions. Here a little bit dip, but that's all right. Stayed low until 40 knots, not as low as possible, but still good. Okay, our goal is now 550 feet.
Alright. All lights are out, everything is green. And
3 Papa Victor, runway 28
carburetor.
Very good. Traffic 1 mile final for the parallel Cessna. 28 right, clear for the option, 3 Papa Victor.
Beautiful altitude, beautiful airspeed. We are climbing, you don't want to climb anymore. You just lower the collective a little bit.
This is 59 Delta, traffic heading to your left helicopter, this is spot Charlie. Looking for traffic, 59 Delta.
So, now we are starting our descent. This is the middle of the base leg, so we lower the collective a little bit. Don't drift to the right too much, very good.
Start 20 Hotel Juliet, traffic heading to your left helicopter on final for taxiway Zulu. Runway 28 left, clear for the option.
Clear left, clear for the option. We have the helicopter in sight, 0 Hotel Juliet.
Okay, raise a little bit, otherwise we are not making it to Charlie. When we raise, we give a little bit forward cycling to maintain level attitude. Yep. Okay, now lower again. Good. Now just let it settle. That's beautiful.
Oakland's airspace, we'd like to cross overhead midfield and enter left downwind for 28 left.
Oh yeah.
5040 Echo Hotel, Hayward Tower, cross overhead midfield.
Last 3 legs.
1,000 below,
Let it settle.
300 and make a left.
That's beautiful. Just lower just a little bit.
Left base, say Diamond Star. Initial traffic on
yeah, so we lower just a little bit more.
Okay, below
And
13,
a little bit outside, to slow it down.
0 head over midfield for 28 left.
Just, yeah, hold it just like there.
So the 500 Delta, ground point 4.
Good. And you feel those vibrations. So raise forward, more forward, left pedal, more forward. Just a touch. Yeah. Good. Left pedal, left pedal. Okay. Yeah, this is the most tricky part. Race forward, left pedal. Okay, very good. We make another set down and pick up on the sea.
It's
Then we are going back.
yeah, it's like
Okay.
Echo Hotel, verified information, Victor.
Affirmative.
So we are going slowly back.
Thank you, you're number
to the
2
sea.
following Diamond Star, short final, runway
And
28
then we
left, clear to land.
stop on the sea.
Okay, number 2,
Like
follow the
this.
Diamond Star and give me a wind check.
We turn it around above the
Echo
sea.
Hotel, welcome.
Thank you kindly.
And then you set it down. There's no backwards movement. Good.
that was good.
Yes, that was awesome.
I thought it's a crash.
Why? Why? No. Okay, you pick it up.
We go home.
Yes, and then we make right traffic to Alpha Echo.
Just over the single.
Right traffic Alpha Echo.
Yes.
Inbound to landing.
But first we pick it up. They're talking anyway. Brr, 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 brr.
729er Echo Lima, Hayward Tower. Flight
There's
northbound
always a request and a tower and then the read back. So we know that there's at least 2 more radio calls coming up.
Northbound, 3-mile final for runway 28 right and report final. 729er Echo Lima.
Okay.
3 Papa Victor, runway 28 right, clear for the option.
28 right, clear for the option. 3 Papa Victor.
Hayward Tower 62 Mike Papa. Right turn Echo.
Alpha Echo. Okay.
After 2 Mike Papa, make right close traffic for taxiway Alpha at Echo. Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff. Spot Charlie, right traffic for Alpha Echo. 62 Mike Papa. Okay. Patience, a little bit forward and wait. Now it's pitching up a little bit more forward. Don't do anything with the collector. Okay, hold it right here. Just hold it right here. Perfect.
On left base, 600 feet.
Oh yeah.
Left, clear for the
Relax.
option.
Okay, 40 knots. Beautiful. And we're turning to the left.
Juliet.
Oh yeah. So when the wind is calm and everything, or the same, I can teach you the next maneuver next time. Max performance takeoff steep approach.
So 3 Papa Victor, traffic heading to your left, lower glass there for the parallel.
Look, 3 Papa Victor. Traffic inside 3 Papa Victor.
Okay, our desired altitude is 800 feet. We are getting there right now. So a little bit forward to stop the climb, a little bit lower collective, and we're turning to the right.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, change to runway 28 right. Number 2 following it sets a short final, runway 28 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear to land. I have the preceding aircraft inside to maintain visual, 62 Mike Papa. So we're going to the runway. You see how low the clouds are, 1600 feet. So just about 500 feet above.
Hotel, turn right at Foxtrot, hold short, runway 28 right, landing traffic.
Don't put the nose too high up, we still want to have our airspeed. Yep.
Reserve Hotel, just start by holding short, runway 28 right, please.
Yeah, hold it short 28 right. A little busy in here right now.
Okay. Our aiming spot is Alpha at Echo. So, lights are on.
Lights out, all green. We have enough fuel. Carburetor, can't find it.
It's really easier when you're going down the seat.
For me, please.
Okay, we're turning. But we're practicing it on the ground. When we are there,
Thank you, I didn't observe.
when we can make it.
900, change to runway 28 left. Number 2 following a Diamond Star, short final, runway 28 left, clear for the options, then make left, close traffic.
Okay, do you want to start our descent?
Runway left, 28 left, clear for the option. Following Diamond Star, 729 Air Lima.
Where am I going?
Number
To runway 28 right.
Foxtrot in contact ground point 4.
The small one.
Yeah, we're in cross right at Foxtrot and point 4 on the other side. Thanks, sir.
Hayward, experimental helicopter 16309.
Experimental helicopter.
Helicopter 16309er, Hayward Tower, good morning.
Yes, sir, good morning. We're at
Here, there, it's an experimental one.
Takeoff,
So a little bit to the left, huh? We're going to the runway.
Helicopter 16309er, Roger, standby.
Roger, 309.
Oh, it's a Huey. Don't want to overfly aircrafts. And we want to be on the center line here. Alright, good. Don't get too excited. Here we are again. This looks beautiful. Looks like walking pace. We have a nice descent rate. Everything looks good. Don't speed up. Very good.
3 Papa Victor, unable to short approach this pass, number 2 following helicopter. Runway 28
Oh,
right.
yeah.
Cleared for the option.
Just that it's at left, don't drift to the right.
We'll do a normal landing this time. 3 Papa Victor.
Helicopter 2 Mike Papa, turn right at Echo and hover taxi departing this frequency. Good morning.
Turning right at Echo, crossing Alpha to continue to parking. Thanks, 6 Lima Papa. So, now
Tower flooded 67.
don't raise, just forward cycling, a little bit forward.
Left for left downwind departure.
Oh yeah!
3 Papa Victor, extend down, I will call your base, traffic will be complete.
It was awesome. Okay, we are following, going forward.
Aircraft calling on answer.
Go 2 parking spots.
Colada 67.
That was
holding short of 28 left.
Stay away from those taxiway lights.
Yeah.
There's a reason why there's a center line to follow. That's like here. So I know this, the wind is tricky, so I have you be until here. But now you can do it.
Hotel Juliet, we're going to extend downwind and you'll help me.
Oh, no.
Shit.
Helicopter 16309er, make a right downwind departure.
Okay.
Remain clear, Vulcan.
Yeah, the approach was just
field clear for takeoff.
beautiful.
Roger, clear.
50-hour students who can't make it like this.
Right downwind departure on the roll.
That's a 3 Papa Victor, turn base now, traffic will be departing on a right downwind helicopter from Alpha.
Turning base, 3 Papa Victor.
Hayward Tower, Cessna 635 Delta at 28 left at Zulu 4 left.
So 635 Delta Hayward Tower, standby, your number 2 for departure.
85 right on Delta.
So 67 Whiskey Lima, just want to verify you want a left downwind departure.
67 Whiskey Lima, affirmative. We're heading to St. Carlos.
Yeah, too much.
Yeah. So. Oh, this is one of my favorite
Tango Golf,
helicopters
with Victor. I'd like to come in for some pattern work on the left.
So, I'm happy with the cycling, but nothing else.
You can turn base now, continue turning to the left.
So, just low a little bit. Over.
Okay. Tango Golf, Hayward Tower, fly northbound, enter a 3-mile final, 4 runway 28 left, and report turn final, please.
Roll down the throttle to 75.
And we'll head northbound.
Governor off.
Yeah. And you want to roll down, no doubt.
Thank you. Whiskey Lima, traffic in the upwind, Cessna remaining in left closed traffic, make a left downwind departure. Remain out below 1,000 feet until crossing the shoreline and clear Vulcan class earlier.
Friction on?
Yes. Clear for takeoff.
Let's take off 28 left at Alpha and at or below 1,000 until the shoreline for 67 Whiskey Lima.
Sorry, 0 Hotel Juliet.
Copy down and locked.
Got it off here too?
Yeah. Copy down and locked. Landing lights off, but they are off.
Making sure now for the 300 degrees for the temperature.
Yeah, as you can see, it can't be, it's not possible that it's already at 300. It's just, the gauge is off. So we wait 30 seconds.
Alright.
Doesn't matter. We have 4 gallons of fuel. So I need more, damn it. Yeah, okay, we can shut it down.
No.
No. So if you don't know, you always use the checklist. So I have to stop you right there. Pause first.
Running off. Launch disengage.
No.
Huh?
Before that.
Oh, throttle pumps close.
Okay. And then you can immediately And we were 30 seconds.
Yeah, disengage the clutch. All right. Make sure. Close this.
Yeah, there's something more.
Rotor brake.
No, before.
The clutch light is off.
No, before the keys.
Alternate.
Yes. The keys are in which position?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, this one.
Made it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That was a good lesson. In this wind, you made an improvement like zzz. I like comments from you, final comments. So if you don't want to do this,